Thanks for watching this video. The poor don't think. My name is Pastor Ekuwashen. I know that some people watching this video will not be happy with what I'm saying, but that is the truth. That is the truth. There is a research that says that 5% of the people in this world think. Only 5% of the people in this world think. The whole world population is about 7 billion. And only 5% of the people in this world think. 15% of the people in this world think they are thinking. They believe that they are thinking, but they are not thinking. 80% will rather die than to think. That is why you see that in our part of the world, we don't produce anything. That's I'm talking about Africa, because Africans don't really think. Sometimes we believe that going to church and praying and binding the devil is the solution to our problems. But I want to tell you that if you are going to be relevant on this earth, then you need to think. For you to think, or thinking is a skill that everybody can acquire. You see, the tomato seller and the tomato farmer will always serve the tomato ketchup man, or the person who produced the tomato ketchup. Sometimes in life, you realize that you go to a company and you see that all the laborers working at the company, their salary is very little, but the overall boss receive a lot of salary. What I want to challenge you this, as you watch this video, for you to know is that the Bible says that as a man thinks in his heart, so is he. So in this life, you can never ever rise above your thinking. You can never rise above your thinking. The whites, they have been able to use their brains to invent aeroplanes. They have been able to use their brains to invent mobile phones. They have been able to use their brains to invent cars. And when you want to go to London, from Accra to London, the next 6 hours, you go to London. But somewhere around 1901, scientists all over the world met in London, and they said that no metal object can fly in the sky. But around 1904, the Wright brothers were able to invent aeroplane. Let me tell you something. As you watch this video, there are certain thoughts that has been occurring to you, that you have to start this building, that you have to start this project, that you have to go to school. You have been thinking, and sometimes poor people always think in reverse. They always think about their past. Instead of them to think about their future, they always think about what transpired 2 years ago, 3 years ago, all the failure that they've been through, this disappointment that they've been through. So you see that the poor people always will allow their past to control their future. But if you are going to be relevant on this earth, then you need to acquire a thinking skill, and everybody can become successful. It is not prayer that can make one become successful. It is about how one uses his or her mind, how one uses his or her brains. That is why we go to school. When you came to this earth, your head was empty. We call it tabula rasa. There was nothing in your brains. You went to school to learn how to write. You went to school to learn how to speak English. You went to school to learn mathematics. You went to school to learn biology. You went to school to learn so many things. So if you went to school to learn biology, and you went to school to learn how to speak English, and you went to school to learn how to calculate, or how to learn mathematics, and as I speak to you, when you go to the bank and you are counting money, you know that 1 + 1 is 2, and 2 + 2 is what? Is 4. So you were able to go to school and you studied, and now you have a certificate. You call yourself a doctor, you call yourself a lawyer, you call yourself an accountant, because you went to school to study. But when we go to our churches, our pastors have resorted everything to prayers. That pray and everything will be all right. Those who don't think will always serve those who think. That is why Africans, we are slaves. We have become slaves to the international communities, because Africans, we have not been able to we use our brains. We have not been able to train how to use the brain. And if we can learn how to use the brain, we will do wonderful things on this side, because we are the image and we are the likeness of God. The white are not superior than the black. The white can only be superior than the black because the black man has refused to use his or her brain. Let me tell you something. If you are watching this video, what I want you to do is that stop meditating on problems, because God created you to use your brains to solve problems. You are not created to use your brain to meditate problems. The greatest gift that God gave to mankind is your brain. Now, every thought that will occur to you, it means that you can achieve it. Everything that you have been thinking about for the past years, for the past month, for the past weeks, it means that you can achieve it. That is why God has allowed you to think that kind of thinking. God bless you for watching this video. I want you to subscribe to Power Unlimited TV on YouTube. And I want you to like my page, Power Unlimited TV on Facebook. God bless you.